Hello everyone, we are students from the Faculty of Pharmacy, and in this video we will present a simulation of pharmacist counseling through drug information service or PIO.
My name is Keysha Asyila Shahieza and I will be acting as pharmacist.
Hello everyone, my name is Keysha Ashilla Kahnaya and I will be acting as the patient.
Good afternoon, welcome to the pharmacist. How can I help you today?
Good afternoon, I would like to read this prescription from Dr. Smith. Please, here it is.
Thank you, let me check it for a moment. Alright, this is a prescription for a cough syrup. Before we proceed, could you please confirm your full name and address for our validation?
Yes, of course. My name is Keysha Asyila Kahnaya and I live at 42 Maple Street.
Okay, thank you. And here in your cough syrup, in my opinion, this is specific brand should work very effectively to suit your dry cough and help you sleep better at night.
Oh, that is wonderful to hear. This cold has been keeping me for the past 3 nights. It's so exhausting. How should I take this syrup?
I completely understand. You need to take this 3 times daily, ideally in the morning, afternoon, and before bed. To ensure the correct dosage, the enclosed measuring spoon must be used for every consumption. Please do not use an regular kitchen spoon.
I see. Should I take it before or after meals?
The medicine is highly recommended to be taken after meals to avoid any potential stomach irritation.
Got it. Take it after meals using the measuring spoon. Are there any side effects that I should look out for?
Yes, that is a very important question. Please be aware that the syrup might cause drowsiness, so you must avoid driving or operating heavy machinery after taking it.
Oh, thank goodness you told me. I usually drive to work every morning. I think I will talk to my manager about working from home for a few days.
That sounds like a very wise decision. Rest is also crucial for your recovery. Also, make sure to drink plenty of warm water to help loosen the mucus.
Thank you so much. You have been incredibly helpful. And how long should I keep taking this?
You should take it for 5 days. If the cough persists or gets worse after that, please consult a doctor again. Do you have any other question?
No, I think it's enough and everything is very clear now. Thank you so much for your thorough explanation.
You are very welcome. Take it and I hope you feel better soon.